Do you want to play with a PS5 DualSense controller on your Android phone? It couldn't be easier. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 DualSense to an Android phone, step by step. It's super easy and takes just a minute. First, turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Next, on the controller, press and hold the PS and create buttons until the blue light starts flashing. That means the controller has entered pairing mode. On your phone, select from the list of devices DualSense wireless controller and confirm the connection. And that's it, the controller is working and you're ready to play. Open a game and control it just like on a console. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.